How to change language in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the language in Google Chrome, simply first of all launch the Google Chrome browser on your device. As you do that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. As you tap on Settings, scroll down and at the very end you can see the option of languages over here. So tap on Languages. As you tap on Languages, you can see the current device language, which is in English. Now if you want to change it, just tap on it and here you can select any of the language that you would want to change it to. So for example, I'm going to change it to German over here. And as you do that, it will start downloading and it will start changing the language in Google Chrome. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.